Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a martial art belt. This can apply to both Taekwondo and Karate, so keep watching to find out how.
Fold the belt exactly in half and find the centre of it. Place the centre of the belt just above your belly button so the two sides should be equal. Hold on to this centre of the belt. Wrap the two ends around your waist and back to the front. Make sure one side tucks under the other side all of the way around. This will ensure that it is not incorrectly crossed behind the back. Hold both sides of the belt in front of you and make sure they are of the same length. Cross the right side, which is the one at the top, over the left side and tuck this same side under both of the layers of the belt. Grasp both of the ends and pull as tightly as you would like. Cross the new left side, which is at the top, over the right side, which is at the bottom, and reach through and pull this left side through. Then pull tightly to secure the knot.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that and found that useful. I'm sure you'll all be able to tie your own belt in no time. Remember there's also lots of other helpful videos on my channel, so please do go check them out. Also, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, as I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!